Kia ora, ko John Williams tōku ingoa.
Tēnā koutou and hello olgeta. My name is Ruth Tolmua.
Kia ora, ko Sylvia Robertson toko ingoa.
Kia ora. My name is Sheila Skeef. I'm a professor in the Department of Human Nutrition, teaching undergrads, and I'm also the postgraduate coordinator for my department.
I lecture in Education Studies, where I teach 2 large first-year papers. Since 2020, I've developed a more blended approach to teaching and learning.
I'm a lecturer at the Higher Education Development Centre and based at the Wellington Medical School.
I'm a senior lecturer in the Department of Marketing, and I'm also the director of the Bachelor of Entrepreneurship.
At 1 p.m. on the 26th of May, we will be holding a live discussion for you to join.
We will be talking about the changing landscape of higher education
As digital technologies provide greater flexibility and access for students.
Join us as we discuss our personal experiences of adapting to a dynamic teaching environment.
while continuing to meet our students' learning needs and fostering engagement.
We look forward to seeing you there.